Buenas, buenas, and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing um, on another project, residential roof leak repair. So a few days back, we came on this house, we did our inspection, and we find two problems. Someone installed bathroom vent cap, and they did that way, and then they installed the pipe coil flashing, and same thing, they installed over the shingles, so we have to remove the shingles and install new pipe coil flashing, and this one we will see if we can reuse. So we are ongoing with our project. Terrible project what they did it. How come, or how in the world someone will do something like that? But for sure that was, I think, general contractor or someone, they have no idea how to work on the roof, or I don't know. So but no problem, Three Brothers Roofing, the solution. And we are on continue with our project. Step by step we are ongoing. So that is how they did it, over the shingle with a flashing cement. Terrible project. Not a problem, we are the solution. Three Brothers Roofing. Okay, and now we are removing our gooseneck vent. Okay, so, and the coil flashing we remove already. We just try to remove some screws, and we are ongoing. Okay, now we just install some ice shield, and right here it's ready. Okay, our project completed. Shingle really close to the old one, and the vent cap installed, bathroom vents pipe coil flashing installed. Project